Hello viewers, hope you all will be doing fine. This is Dishan Khatri and I welcome all of you to my channel, your channel, Solidworks e-learning. Welcome to part 2 of the tutorial of sketch series. In this part 2, we will draw a Geneva mechanism wheel which contains lines, circles and another feature which is called circular pattern. The circular pattern will be used to copy these elements 5 times around the circle. So let's start. But before proceeding, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of any of my future video. Start a new part. Now as before, we will paste our drawing onto the plane. First draw the plane, sketch on the plane, sketch picture, Geneva wheel. Now let's match the scale. For matching the scale, I am going to select this dimension, this diameter 46. So I place one end here. And second here. Zoom in for accuracy. Here, this is 46. Now let's locate the origin. Origin will be, of course, the center of all the circles. This is the center of all the circles. Reduce the transparency to 0.6. So our drawing has been pasted. Now let's draw the sketch on front plane, normal to plane. First let's draw our axes, the center lines, horizontal, infinite length, then vertical. Let's draw the circles first. Circle, this circle, then this one, then this one, this one, this one. Total 5 circles. Now you can see these 2 circles are for reference, so we will select both circles and make them for construction. These are not the part of the drawing, only for reference. So let's dimensions the circles. The radius of this circle is 31, so the dia will be 62. Radius of this circle is 46. Radius of this circle is 32. Dia of this radius circle is 32. 32. Dia of this circle is 13. And this circle 6. Now let's draw this figure. Circle here and 2 lines, 2 vertical lines up to here. Up to here. Now you can see these 2 lines are symmetrical, So we make them symmetrical by selecting with axis and make them symmetric. Now let's trim the unwanted part. Now dimension. The dimension is 5 between these two lines. Dimension is 5. And the center of the circle is on this circle. Make constant. Now let's draw this arc. To draw this arc, we will draw two center lines, make it angle and infinite length, originating from origin, and this one, and another this one, going through the center of this arc. Now let's dimension. The angle of this center line with vertical will be 360 degree divided by 5, because we have to copy these elements 5 times. So the angle between two consecutive elements will be 360 degree divided by 5. And this is the bisector of this angle. That's why the angle with this line will be 72 divided by 2. Okay, so let's draw the arc. The center of the center point arc. The center of this arc will be on this line. So let's select a point anywhere in this, on this line. Select this and this. The radius of this arc is 16. So let's do it 16. So bring it here. Now you can see this arc is tangent to this circle, touching this circle. So we select both and make it tangent. So you can see it is turns black, that is, it is fully defined. Now we have to copy these two elements 5 times. For that we will use the circular pattern. First select these two elements, select these two elements, and here circular sketch pattern. The center is already picked by Solidworks, the center of the circles, and we can see the number of instances are 4 here by default, but we have to draw 5. We have to copy 5 times, so make it 5 and see all are copied. Now the last thing is trimming the unwanted lines. Trim this one. Make sure to be accurate. Don't trim the wrong line. Trim. Zoom in when you trim. 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 Okay. So you can see our sketch is ready. Exit the sketch. The sketch is ready. So this is sketch number 2 of the tutorial series, sketch series. Thanks for watching.